HEST Sleep System was our first product, born from a mission to improve sleep in the outdoors. It combines high-quality, temperature-resilient memory foam with a supportive, durable, outdoor-ready Dropstitch base. HEST offers two sizes of sleep systems, a regular 25-inch width and a wide 30-inch width option, both featuring a 78-inch length. Your portable, comfortable, and durable sleep system comes in a heavy-duty messenger bag, ready to accompany you on your next adventure. To set up the sleep system, remove the portable hose and pump from the messenger bag and set them aside for now. We'll use them shortly. Next, take the sleep system out of the bag, unclip the mesh compression harness, and unroll your mattress. The high-quality polyfoam mattress will expand into its full form as it unfolds. Now, grab the pump. Attach the hose to the port labeled "Out" on the pump, making sure the pump plug on the other side is screwed into place. The Dropstitch mattress base, turn the valve clockwise to open it. Then, press down on the spring-loaded valve stem to fully open it. Connect the hose to the valve, turn it clockwise, and start pumping. The Dropstitch base will begin to inflate. Pump until you reach your desired firmness. Some people prefer the base fully inflated to 8 or 9 psi. Others like it a little softer. Move the hose from the valve and replace the valve cover. Sleep well and dream of your next adventure. Time to pack up. Unscrew the valve cap and open the valve stem by turning it counterclockwise and pressing down. Air will immediately start to escape from the Dropstitch base. Keep the valve open to allow the air to release fully. Once most of the air is out, attach the compression harness to the Dropstitch base, aligning the Velcro anchor points with the neoprene handles at the bottom of the base. With the harness attached, turn the valve stem back up and reattach the hose to the valve. This time, attach the other end of the hose to the port labeled "In" on the pump. Pump several times to remove as much air as possible from the base. This step will make rolling up your mattress much easier. Trust us. Remove the hose and replace the valve cap. No need to rush the roll. Start by compressing the foam with your knee to get it as tight as possible. Use your body weight as you go. The foam will take a couple of seconds to compress with each turn. When you reach the end, keep the roll pinned with your knee and clip the compression harness around the roll, cinching it tight with the straps. Now you're ready to hit the road. If you want to lighten your load and just take the foam, or use the Dropstitch base for floating in the lake, separating the foam from the base is super easy. There are 2 zippers running the length of the mattress. Just unzip each side and you're good to go.